Hi guys. It's been quite the week. I hope you guys are doing well. I imagine most of you have gone back home. I hope that you are enjoying some quality time with your families or your friends or your roommates, whatever you're doing. We have just gotten our plans approved for what the rest of the semester is going to look like. So I wanted to fill you in with what's going to be happening with Intro to ABA. So since with Intro to ABA, all we had was a review class left. So I'll continue to post some review activities for you to complete, and then I'm also going to be holding some virtual office hours so that I can answer any questions that you might have. I will post those dates and times for you shortly. The discussion board is still active up on Avenue, so make sure that you post any questions that you have in there so that I can answer them there and everyone can have access to them. As you know, there are no in-person exams, so you will just be completing the exam on Avenue, okay? And you can do it at a time that's convenient for you on March the 30th, so we're still going to have it on the same day. We will, but you can pick the 3-hour window of time that's going to work best for you in order to complete the exam. Okay, so that's the plan for the rest of the semester for ABA. If you have any questions about this plan, you know where to find me. You've got my email address, so please do send me an email. And if you have any questions, concerns at all, I am here to address them for you. Okay, hope you guys stay well.